Hi guys, welcome back to Detailing and the Beast. So I have just finished, it is just shy of 10 to 8 in the evening. I've just finished 12 hours on this BMW M2, a black comp. Now, I did want to make a full video, but I just haven't had time with the amount of work that I've had to do. But I do want to do a very quick video just to show you around this thing because it is absolutely amazing now. So I don't have any befores, unfortunately. We've given the car a full decontamination. We've primarily used fallout remover, a tar and glue remover, and more than anything else, the Garage Therapy Decon shampoo. So I use that through a lance initially and then clayed the car with the shampoo on the car. And then after that, we give it a decon wash on top of that just to kill off any remaining protection. After that, we went to the Koch Chemie compounds. They have done an absolutely wonderful job. I swear by them things. I did the Ranger with the Koch compounds not long ago, and that turned out fantastic as well. So I do recommend them. After that, and this is the reason why I wanted to do this quick video, we've gone around the car and put on the GTECHNIQ ExoV4, 2 layers of that, and what a coating that is. Now, I have used it before, but I have never done a video on, well, I have done one on ceramic coating, but I've never done a dedicated video on a ceramic coat. But if you're in the market for a ceramic coat, and do not be afraid of this one, by the way, if you're in the market for one, I do recommend the GTECHNIQ ExoV4. For an initial user, so I'm not talking about a professional or anything like that, there are hundreds of coatings out there, but for somebody who's perhaps never used a coating before or is very new to it or has played around with SiO2, you know, ceramic lights maybe, this is a cracking first coating to get. It comes with everything you need, the little applicator pad. You get a dropper in the ceramic coat as well. And the best bit about it is it's so easy. In fact, what it reminds me of, and you can go back and have a look at this video, is this. The application method is pretty much identical apart from you're not spraying it and spreading it with a microfiber. And what I mean by that is you get this pad. Now, this one is fully used today, but it's a little finger pad. It's not a suede on a block, so it's really easy to use. You load it up and you wipe it on. You do it in a crisscross fashion, so you do it one way, then the other, and you leave that for 2 minutes. Once that 2 minutes is done, you get your first cloth. So I have been using this. Now these are really good from Garage Therapy. These are just their colour-coded cloths. But these are really good for your first levelling wipe. So after 2 minutes, you level it off. Just give it a nice wipe. You're not trying to remove it at this point. Just give it a wipe. And once you've done that, once you've gone over your panel, go around with a second cloth and give it a buff to a shine. It's really forgiving if you go over that 2 minutes. So I tried to cheat a little bit and tried to do more than one panel at a time, trying to get a little system going where I coat one, wipe the previous, coat the next, wipe the previous, coat the next, wipe the previous, etc. And some of them panels are bigger than others. So going back, it's probably 2.5 to 3 minutes and it's absolutely fine. Once you've been all the way around the car, so I started at the passenger side wing and worked my way down here, across the back, down the other side, onto the bonnet, down onto the front bumper, and then restart again for your second coat straight away on the front wing and work your way around again, doing 2 full coats. I've found that it's fantastic. Now, there is a downside. You do have to leave this, so now this has got to stay here for 12 hours in the garage in the dry. So if you haven't got facilities like a garage or a lockup or something like that out the weather, it ain't going to be for you. But if you have, it's so easy for a novice, for a starter. I really do recommend it. So I'll show you around this car now, but for now, goodbye.